Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Logout, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log out of your LG ThinQ account. So first of all, launch LG ThinQ application. Now as you are logged into your account, at the bottom right corner you'll see the option of menu. Tap on it. Now over here at the top right corner you'll see a gear icon. Tap on it. Now once you come to App Settings page, simply scroll down below till the bottom. Over here you'll see the option of Sign Out. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you'll see this pop up. Simply tap on the option of OK. With that, you will successfully be able to log out or sign out of your LG ThinQ account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.